My name is Maša Kukec. I'm a professor of mathematics and physics. I teach in a program called Preschool Education. Students that finish our program are assistant kindergarten teacher. I teach mathematics, physics, natural science for children, mathematics for children, natural project in kindergarten, and I'm also a class teacher of students that are in second year. I will present a class called Natural Project in Kindergarten. We have two main projects, creating from packaging and an escape room for preschoolers. We use the Bono tools, but not for the ideas, because students are very creative, but more for how to plan a project, do a project, resolve problems during a project, evaluate a project, and how to use a project in kindergarten. Our first project is called Eco-Paket. We were creating from packaging and the theme was renewable energy. Our first question was what we use most in Slovenia. We discovered that we use hydro energy, solar and wind energy. Our second question was what are the factors. We discovered we have to think about the theme, the material, the transport to exhibit. We want the product to be as much as realistic and aesthetic as it can be, and we have to think about how we will organize our time. We also discussed about the purpose and goal and achievement. The question what is the purpose had the answer how to recycle packaging. What is the goal? Teach about renewable energy. And what is the achievement? Finished product, learning about material, and teamwork. We also thought about how can we use the finished product. We discussed that we can use it for explaining renewable energy. When we will explain wind energy, we will talk about the importance of wind strength and direction. When we will talk about solar energy, we will talk about the days and how the days are shorter during the winter and the importance of the incline of the roof. When we will talk about hydro energy, we will talk about the rivers and how important it is that the rivers have high fall, and also about the danger swimming near the facilities that use hydro energy. When we finished the project, we used the Bono tools for analyzing our product. Positive things were that the product is finished, we had a lot of teamwork, and the product was very aesthetic. The negative thing about the project was that there was a lot of cleaning. We had to wait for the glue and paint to dry, and for that reason, sometimes some people were out of work. The interesting part was that we added some natural materials that wasn't our plan. Now let's take a look how the finishing product looks like. After the project is done, I have to grade it. I'm not grading how good the idea is because I have to be objective, but how well can they use the tools. And the first report we write together. The questions of the report were: describe the project. What was the purpose? What goal did we try to achieve? What is our achievement? What factors we didn't take into account and had problems because of that? Analyze your work. What was positive, negative, and interesting? How can we use our product in kindergarten? How would you explain renewable energy to a preschooler?